Hello, here's how you can access the Reports Dashboard from the TrouDigital Studio. So once you've logged in, you can click your name or account name in the top right corner and click on Reports. This will open up a new tab where it might ask you to log in. If it does, just use the same login details that you use to access the TrouDigital platform. And once you're in, you can see lots of useful information about your screens. So on the left here, we can see two colours, and these show whether your screens are currently online or not. The green screen for the office screen means it's currently online. And the red screen, the canteen screen, this means it's currently gone offline. So this is useful to check whether your screens have recently gone offline, and now we know that we need to connect them back up to the internet. Another couple of useful things is showing which playlists are currently playing on the screens. If you have more than one playlist, you can extend this over here and see the rest of them as well. Another useful feature is being able to see when your screens were last updated. So this shows you when your screens were last active and last connected to the internet. So we can see the canteen screen went offline at exactly this time. This can help narrow down what the problem might be and help you to connect your screens back to the internet and get them up and running again.